Hey, what's going on, folks? My name is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group, and I hope you guys are having a great day so far. Here we got a 2020 BMW X3 X30i. We're going to do a quick video walk around for you guys. This one came in with 93,000 miles. It has a green title. It's a great vehicle if you're wanting something that's practical yet with a touch of luxury. Of course, it's got the classic BMW look with the kidney grills. I really like the X3 model. This one has some great options, yet it's very simple at the same time. The fact that it's all-wheel drive, for me, it's the biggest bonus, to be honest with you. It's also economical for an SUV of its size, about 24 miles per gallon city and 29 highway. It pairs with great features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, just to make your day-to-day infotainment uses really nice and simple. Plenty of space in the back, as you guys can see, and it's got a gorgeous interior with a beautiful panoramic sunroof, which I'll give you guys a better view of it in just a second. All right, let's go ahead and put this baby down. I like the light color interior because it kind of opens up space in a sense. And of course, when you have this gorgeous sunroof, it just makes a beautiful view of the sky much better and a much more enjoyable drive for passengers in the back. You get safety features like blind spot monitoring system, which is very practical and useful. Now, let's go and do a quick startup for you guys. You got power windows, of course, power folding mirrors. Driver's seat has lumbar support, so it kind of makes you feel really tucked in. Has a push to start button. A really smooth drive. It has an 8-speed transmission that makes the shifting process seamless. And of course, your infotainment system with the modern design on there. Folks, that pretty much wraps it up. If you guys have any additional questions about this, do not hesitate to reach out. And I genuinely hope to meet you guys in person. Bye-bye.